Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Has this ever been you? Well, with a $30 tool off of Amazon, link in the description, you can stop messing around and just get it done by yourself. Let's go. All right, so what we got here is a Sperry circuit breaker finder receiver, and it comes with this little transmitter. So it's very simple. You just plug it in, turn the gun on. Since this outlet is sideways, you got to go sideways. It starts beeping. You hold the trigger till it stops. You get a little beep, and then we're going to head over to the breaker. Getting up close and personal. And then you just scroll down. Once you found it, no more beeping. There's your circuit. Does it get any more simpler than that? I don't know. You tell me. And if you have some doubts, I'll find a farther outlet, because this one just happened to be right here. I can already read the comments. Charlie, that only worked because the outlet's right next to the panel. Well, let's take a trip. We'll try one farther away. Let's take a stroll down memory lane. Into the gym, through the quad, and we're going streaking. And we're just gonna go find a new outlet. Turn the furnace up, that's too loud. We'll go with this guy right here. He looks primo. So we got our, where are we at? We're right there. We got our little transmitter. Take our receiver. Catch the signal. Pull the trigger. Get a beep. Back on the move. Let's go back through the gym. Here we go. Here we go. Real time. No YouTube magic. Get to the panel. Right there. No more beeping. Just to confirm, it's a whole lot of walking. People are probably leaving, but I just had to prove it to you. No more beeping. She's dead. Job done. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment, hit the like button, ring the bell, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my up and coming videos.